Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight, 13-14 Panini Contenders, and it's break number 176. Last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets, and they sold at, let's see, what's the time there? 21:24. And we'll go to the eBay time, and we'll refresh it. How's that? eBay time is 17:37 Pacific, 20:37 Eastern, 21:37 Nova Scotia. Oopsie Jesus, there we go. Oh my, always something with this thing. Get the legs right on it, maybe. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, here's our list of winners and their respective teams. So thank you everyone for taking part. How's it going, Chad? Emmy's Daddy, 3742. You picked up a few. Good luck to you. 176 is the break number, and there's a serial number 5397. So here's our box. Our box 176, and your serial number ends in 5397. So there you have it. Well, let's get right to it. No friggin' around. Well, maybe a little bit, you know how it goes. There she blows. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Let's see if we can get through some of these base cards. Start right off with a hit for the Florida Panthers, and that goes out to Les Bodis, and that's 124 of 499, and it's Contenders Legacies, John Van Beesbrook. Get some of that stuff out of my way. Base pack. Saturday night I bought a box of Panini and a box of Panini, yeah, of course Panini. A box of Prime and a box of Dominion all married together, so I'll be breaking those on Saturday night as one break, and then I'll also have a box of SP Game Used for Saturday night right after that. Hopefully I'll see you there. Some good products. Some real nice products. For the Nashville Predators, we've got Magnus Hellberg, rookie ticket, auto, and that goes out to Emmy's Daddy, 3742. Congratulations. Nicholas Blanchard, 418 out of 600. For the Carolina Hurricanes, and that is Emmy's daddy, 3742. Back-to-back ones for you. Back-to-back-to-back. Chris Terry for the Carolina Hurricanes, and that's NHL Inc. Very nice. Congratulations. Another base pack. And we got Timmy Thomas for the Florida Panthers. Going out to Les Baudis. Contenders goalie, 28 out of 100. Timmy. For the Winnipeg Jets, an Indy Blues man. We've got Pascal Dupuis, autograph. Pretty nice. Rookie ticket. Congratulations, Indy Blues man. It's Edward Pascal. I think I said Pascal Dupuis. Boys. Boise. Norris Contenders, Slava Vonov. And that is for the LA Kings, and that is 306 out of 499. LA goes out to Pop Art. For the Coyotes and Kamikaze, NHL Inc., Jordan Schwartz. Very nice. For the Calgary Flames and the Chad Experience, we got a retro, a classic, I guess it's called, Valerie Bure, autographed. Pretty sweet, Chad. Congrats. Bet you won't be giving that one to your young feller. For the Detroit Red Wings and WMAC 22, Thomas Jerko, auto. A couple of those kind of cards we've got. 3 packs to go, people. Good luck. Dave Anderchuk for the Buffalo Sabres. That goes out to Sabre Stuff 1970. There you go, John. Welcome back. Very nice. Haven't seen you around in a while. And for the Columbus Blue Jackets and King Barney Gumble. I was wondering whether I was going to get to say your name tonight or not. It's Boone Jenner. Rookie ticket. King Barney Gumble. And last but not least, and it's a thick one, so it's a spacer in there. Let's hope it's not. Friggin' old spacer. And nothing. Base pack. Well, there you go. Okay, thanks very much, everybody. So look for my next ones on Saturday night. So until then, have a good week, what's left of it, and happy bidding.